Riwruok mar msalaba makware pachoka ogolo siem ni ji maromo milion 6.4 dhi bedo maonge chiemo kochopo dwe mar achiel higa manyien poni oro dhi nyime. Marien medruok kowuok e ji maromo milion 5.1 masani ngaji okwako e pachoka. Jagoro maduong' mar Kenya Red Cross Dr. Asha Mohamed onyiso luoro mare ni dwarore mondo mi oket okenge motegno makedo gi ngaji kolieko ni oro nyalo medore nyaka higa manyien. Aisha ne loso e gwenge madiani e kaunti Makwale e kinde migago mar solomenda mar ng'iewo chiemo kod gik thieth ne jogo mangaji osaso.
We are still not out of the woods. We have some rains, but we are being told that these rains are not enough in quantity. They are not enough in distribution. So there will be very temporary relief which will be eroded between January and March, because that is usually the dry season for this country. And the prediction is that the rains of March to May 2023, and Allah knows better, we are headed for a 6th failed season as a country. And there is a projection to say, if we don't also put drastic measures, today we are saying 5.1 million people are affected. By the new year, we will be saying 6.4 million Kenyans will need food assistance.
Tusingependa kila mwaka tuweze kupatiwa chakula cha msaada. Tunataka kutoka pale. Sasa hivi tumeambiwa tuko katika alarm. Pengine ambacho kimetufanya tuko pale, tungekuwa pengine tuko katika emergency. Lakini kwa sababu ya kuwa tuliweza kutengeneza mega dams ambazo sasa hivi zimesaidia pakubwa, lakini isingekuwa vile pengine tungekuwa tumefika kile kiwango chengine kitambo. Na ndio sababu sasa hivi kama county tunawekeza katika masuala ya kutengeza mabwawa makubwa.